Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. Here you can see 0x80070057. So how we can check this and fix this error. So first of all you need to open your computer. After you open your computer, just go to disk C. Go to this PC, click on this PC, and just right click on your system disk. On disk you have also errors with, and just choose properties. So here you choose in this all tabs, you choose tools, and here you will see error checking. The option will check the drive for file system errors, and you just click check. So this image near check means that you need administrator rights to open it. So here you choose you don't need to scan this drive. We haven't found any errors on this device. You can still scan the drive for errors if you want. So just choose scan drive and just wait some time. After system will scan your disk and check all partitions for maybe some corruption files or some errors and fix it. So now you just need to wait some time after it will finish, and after it will finish you won't have any errors again, and your system will successfully work. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.